Hello, sir. So good day. So for my project today is right here. So for the project setup of this project is for the front end we're using Nux. I mean Vue. So Vue allows us to have a single page application. So as I navigate through to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page, and it allows us to have components as well. So for repeating sections, we'll just have to import them, so that's the use of the components. So what I did right here, so for my accomplishment today is, as you can see here, there is actually changes on the navigation tree. So this one right now is we're currently using the super admin. So if you are logged in using the user admin account, is you'll see here this is the navigation tree. So right here in the navigation tree, there are some of the labels changes. So this one right here was called user module. This one is course. So just a few changes regarding with the labels. So counseling was appointment before, payment management, then contract management. Then we have payroll, and as you can see, there are actually new modules being added on the navigation tree for the super admin. So we have the payroll management, we have the evaluation, and then attendance settings is already added before then, but I've already changed the label based on the design that was provided. And we have storage and then additional features. So for now, the payroll management, as you can see here, these three modules right here, actually five modules except for the settings, is actually using a static page, or the page is non-existent as the feature is not implemented yet. So I was asked to do the navigation tree for now, so I've already made the pull request. So I've already changed the ticket issue to resolve, but I still need to have a feedback regarding with the accomplishment that I made. So if they want to have the old modules back, as it this has actually a old module such as the log audit and then the student status. So I've already commented them. So it's still right here on the project, but I've commented them. So this one's right here is the new navigation tree that should show up. So for my plan for tomorrow is I'm going to still ask about the prioritized task for this project, since I've already had the response that I should focus first on the existing features for the app, for the project. So this one's right here are the new modules that I've added, has no features yet, so it has not been implemented. So I'm going to ask first, what should I do next? About what module should I do next? Maybe application of the API endpoint, or do UI changes with that has the feature that has been already implemented. So that is all for my accomplishment today, sir. Thank you.